Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this tall green character! Hello, 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 super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 40! Did you know Numberblock 40 is made of 40 blocks? That is 4 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40! Let's go! Let's start drawing. First, draw one tall rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A tall green body. Perfect!
Drawing number blocks with joy is a magic we can never crush. Counting higher, counting lower, up and down and back.
Now, inside the rectangle, draw 3 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Now draw 10 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 blocks! Now, let's draw the face. Numberblock 40 has neat square eyes. Draw the left eye, square shape with outline. Now the right eye, same square shape. Inside each eye, add the eye details, the pupils. Neat and clear eyes. Now draw the eyebrows above the eyes. Now draw the happy smile. Such a sweet smile! Now draw the hands on both sides. Left hand, right hand. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. And finally, at the very top, write the number, 40. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone! I am Numberblock 40. See my special X eyebrows? I am made of 40 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils. Black. And inside the mouth. Black too. Sharp and clear.
Not the same. We can draw again tomorrow. We can color.
Now pick up dark green. Spell dark green. D-A-R-K-G-R-E-E-N. Dark green. Color the eye outlines. Dark green. Color the eyebrows with X patterns. Dark green. Color the smile outline. Dark green. And the body outline too. Everything outlined perfectly.
Learning is fun. Every new number is Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light. Make a shape, make a block, make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes, little boxes side by side. Drawing number blocks together is a fun and happy ride. Color gently, nice and slow, fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue.
Now pick up green. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Color the hands. Green. And the legs. Green too. Strong green hands and legs.
Counting higher, counting lower, up and down and back again. Every number tells a story, 1 to 10 and 10 to 10. We can color while we learn. We can learn while we create. Number blocks are friendly friends.
And now, the final color. Pick up light green. Soft, beautiful light green. Spell light green. L-I-G-H-T-G-R-E-E-N. Light green.
Dark and warm and hot. Drawing makes us smile wide. Coloring makes us feel alive. make learning really thrive. 1 little block, 2 little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them tall, numbers growing all the time. Drawing every single block makes our artwork super prime. We can blend and we can shade, we can mix the colors bright, we can make new combinations, make the picture shine in light. Drawing slowly, coloring softly, take your time and stay in groove. When we draw the number blocks, every block begins to move. Learning numbers while we color is the best way to succeed. All our counting, all our thinking gives our brains the power and speed. Drawing helps us think creative, coloring helps us shape our mind. Every stroke and every line makes new knowledge we can find. Now we finish, now we smile, look how nice our work became. Every number block we colored is unique and not the same. We can draw again tomorrow.
Color all 40 blocks light green. 10 blocks light green. 20, 30, 40. Done! And done!
Drawing number blocks art, color and counting, working in heart. Drawing and coloring, learning is fun. Every new number is number 1.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.